everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy trick to catch insect faster in Heartopia using the sense booster. First, make sure your insect catching hobby is already at level 6 like this. Like this, you can see it because this sense booster will be unlocked at level 6 like this. And once you have reached level 6, just head over to the Naniwa and purchase the scent booster. And to use it, it's simply open your backpack and then just tap on scent booster and then just tap on use like this. And after that, the scent booster will be active for 2 minutes like this. And during this time, catching insect will becomes way easier, just like this. You will see indicators. You will see detection indicators whenever there's an insect nearby. For example, like this, you will see the small butterfly icon like this, the small indicator like this. And when you see this icon, just tap on your tool button to catch this insect like this. And the insect will be captured instantly. No need to perfectly adjust your directions manually. And so this tool is very helpful, especially if you want to farm insect quickly and efficient. Like this, you can see it. And okay, maybe that's it. Just try it out. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.